North and south of Leduc, a mess. But when you look at the traffic map, Once you get past Wetaskiwin, roads improve greatly. So it's just around the city of Edmonton where you will have to drive slow. Let's just all get home safely. If you come across any other issues on Edmonton streets, you can call us at pound 740 or send us a text message to 587-336-2929.
Thanks, Stacey. If you were listening to the morning show this morning, Edmonton AM, you might have heard our CBC Edmonton colleague and Adrian's friend, Madeline Cummings, remembering how that when it came to food and food columns, Adrian had a very difficult time reining it in. She loved food. She was passionate about food. She could and she would talk at great lengths about food. Never was this more true than when she was talking to fellow foodie Doreen Pry, who you know, if you're a fan of this show, can also talk at length about food. This column originally clocked in at 9 minutes and 45 seconds. Just for context, our interviews were usually trying to get them around 7. So we've even had to edit it again. So here is some of Doreen and Adrian's conversation.
With all the local produce available right now, it is